Are you trying to add a spouse to your Wealthfront investment? Then you clicked the right video. Here's how to do it easily so that your business partner will also be able to access the stock. Let's get started. First, start by logging in your account. After logging in, you'll be brought to the home page of the Wealthfront website. Now select a specific stocks, or let's say an investment company you want your partner to get access to. As you can see, I did not buy any stocks. That's why there is no investment showing here, but don't worry. When you buy a stock, you will see your investment here as well. So click at a specific investment. You will see this interface once you click it. Now click Manage. It should be at the corner right of the screen. After that, you will see a settings to add spouse. Simply just click it. After that, you will be brought to a page where you will need to put some information of your partner, such as emails or number. After giving the information, click Send Invitation. That's it. Thanks for watching.